If that describes you, if you want more, if you're ambitious and just have this drive and this passion inside of you that you want freedom and you want to create your own life and not, not let someone else create it for you, I would say sales is for you. What's up, everybody? My name is Kevin Kartchner with the Fight Against Mediocrity YouTube channel, where we talk sales, business, and real estate. So today I wanted to talk about how to know if you should get into sales. It's something that I get asked a lot, but also it's just a really good question to ask yourself, like should or should I not get into sales? Because I definitely think for a lot of people, sales is not the right course. You would hate it. You would do very poorly in it. And other people, like, you need it. You need to get into sales because it'll be life-changing for you. So how do you know if you're one or the other? I think it's as easy as, like, if you're not satisfied with your current income and you're in a job where you get paid hourly or you get paid like a fixed salary, I think sales is for you because you're not ever going to be satisfied with that fixed pay rate and you're going to want more. And that's the number one attribute of a great salesperson, is they just desire more. They have a high achievement drive. As Jeff Shore says, they just want more out of life. They want more out of their job, their income, and they want to push themselves. I would say sales is one of the greatest self-development courses because you have to get so good at communicating with others and presenting things, and you can never settle. You're always pushing yourself mentally, physically, emotionally. So if that describes you, if you want more, if you're ambitious and just have this drive and this passion inside of you that you want freedom and you want to create your own life and not, not let someone else create it for you, I would say sales is for you. For those who like the security of getting paid a fixed amount every 2 weeks, and I don't relate to these people, but if this is you, if you like that, consistency, that security, that I know I'm going to get paid, I know my job's here, I would say sales is not for you. You're not going to enjoy it. You're going to get stressed out. But if you are the type of person that I described first and you want more, you want freedom, you want, significance, sales is an amazing path. The number one job held by most multimillionaires and billionaires is sales. In various different stages, various different, types of sales, but it was sales. So if you're looking to grow and increase who you are, sales is an amazing, amazing career, amazing opportunity. If you want to learn more, that's what I do, is I help people create a six-figure economy. I teach, the sales skills needed in a way that is not slimy or misleading or dishonest. Sales is a very honest, amazing career. Ultimately, we are all salespeople. We're all selling ourselves, selling our services, persuading others, whether that's your wife to go to dinner with you or your girlfriend to go to dinner with you or your kids to go to bed. Like whatever you do in life, you're always selling. So it's a great skill to have. Let me know if you like this. Let me know if you are thinking about getting into sales and why or why not. I'd love to answer your questions. I hope you have a great day and I hope you found this video helpful. We will catch you on the next one.